Hi, and welcome to Enriching Hobbies. Today I'm going to be showing you how to do a really cool card trick. So first I'm going to be showing you what the card trick would look like. Alright, pick a card. And now slide that card into the deck. And now I'm going to spread out the deck. And now I'm going to actually be showing you how to do the trick. So first, you're going to want to flip this card like that, so then both sides have the back of the card showing. So now you would want to spread out the cards and have them choose a card, but you don't want them to see that the bottom card is face up. So you'd kind of do it like this, and say they chose this card. And while they're memorizing their card, you want to flip over the deck, so then it's like this. And then this card would be 3 diamonds, and then they'll slide it in. And since you had the deck all face up like this, their card will be facing that way. And then you would want to flip over the deck, so it's like this. And while you're holding the deck here, you're going to have to turn this card so it's facing that way. So like, while I'm holding it here, I would want to go like that, but without them seeing. And then I would spread out the cards, and they're all face down except for this one, which is face up, and that's their card. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Please make sure to subscribe, and see you next time on Enriching Hobbies.